everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my Tesla. And today I have this thing here. This is the Lectron, and I've been using this, and I just put it back in the box just so I can show you guys what it looks like when you open it. But it is for the charger. So if you go to a charger that's not a Tesla charger, you're gonna have a hard time plugging it in. But this thing here converts it, and it was like $85. I think the car comes with one when it's new, but I think I left mine somewhere else. So I don't have the original. So I got the replacement one here, and it wasn't cheap. But here's what it looks like here, so you can see that's where it's going to plug into your Tesla, and that's where it's going to accept the receptacle from the other type of chargers that are out there. So this is a super handy device. It's got some weight to it, and it works like a champ. I've been using it. I used it today when I was at the mall, and they had a free charger there, and I was able to use this to plug it into my car, which is great. And it's cool because once it's plugged in and the car's charging and it's locked, it still locks in place just like a Tesla charger. So you're going to have it locked in place, but somebody would be able to unplug the other part if they really wanted to. But that's it, and you can see this is the box for it. I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews too. But here's what it looks like on the box. I don't even know if it came in any instructions. There really isn't much to it, but it's good to have. And even if you have one of these already for the car, you may want even a second one, just so you can have one in your car and keep one at your house if you have the old style charger, so you can always have one. But I like it, so thumbs up for me, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.